over here. Let's have a little talk. Let's have a little talk. As I said before, we'd like to do some interviews, and I'm going to go out later. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd actually like to introduce my baby cousin named Tapu. Tapu, how are you doing today? Good? Good, good, good. Now, Tapu, born and raised in Samoa, and he's been in New Zealand. If you call it Rokausanga, is it? Yeah. So, Tapu, I'm going to ask you the same question I asked our other young lady, and please feel free, whamatala mai I le tātou ainga I nei aso. O le ale le winga o le upu nei o Samoa. What does it mean to you to be Samoan? Whamatala mai. Thank you, sir.
Samoa. Samoa.
Tapu, you are as deep as the ocean with that one. One more time, o Samoa, and that's all you need to say. My baby cousin Tapu. Thank you, Tapu. Let's give him a big round of applause.